Hey, this is Mike James, co-founder of Boardroom Socks. We date back to the year 2009, where we started manufacturing fine merino wool socks, dress socks over the calf for myself. He started knitting the first Boardroom sock, which I made to the specifications I had inherited for exactly my personal wear and use. I always wore over the calf merino wool socks since I was a teenager. This is that type of style. Right here, this is it. Over the calf, 168 needle, merino sock, using the same specified yarn that we did 15 years ago. And we started with this basic sock, which I've always worn way back, for well over 40 years. This is a classic 6x2 rib, merino black. I was committed to having all of our products made here in the U.S., and I personally wanted to have this construction made for my own wear, which I started doing for myself and one friend of mine and a business associate, and from there we've grown the business. All on this particular needle count gauge machine, and all the Boardroom classic rib socks have been knit in this factory since. We now offer fine long staple cotton and other products as well, dyed to a lot of different colors, so you get a complete range beyond just basic black in our classic rib socks, all made right here in the U.S. and always will be. Thank you for your business.